Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to export individual slices in Adobe Photoshop. Go to File option and select Export. Now go to Save for Web. Here go to Original tab. If your image is too big, you may need to zoom out. Now press and hold Shift button. Then choose your required slices. In this case I am going to select these 5 slices. Then press Save button. Now choose the folder where you want these images to be exported. Make sure this option is on selected slices. Then press Save button. And that's it. As you can see, your images are exported. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section. Thank you.